Please allow me react to this comment. Indeed, poverty is a sin. Poverty is a bastard. Poverty is not a friend to all. You should you should not romance poverty. Poverty is a person. Poverty is a mindset. Poverty is that act that you might do and it will take you straight to hell. Poverty is that thing that you romance the way you think, and even if you do anything, even if you fast, even if you read the Bible, you end up going to hell. Indeed, poverty is a big sin. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Immaculate on your screen. Thanks for allowing me show up your screen. You guys, this is a lady that brings you tips tips on how to use your smartphone, on how to use your social media, how to use online space, Wi-Fi, and make sure you be productive. And it's a very big disclaimer, you guys. I'm not a financial consultant. I'm not a person that is meant to train you on how to make money. Whatever I'm giving you right now, I'm giving you a nice bag. I'm giving you just something small that you can use to go and do some research and come back here. You either continue and make some money. If you don't make money, it's okay. But what I'm giving you is just a tip. It's less than 10%. So what are we saying? We are saying the moment you have your smartphone and it is connected with internet, you can make a living. Almost 2% of the population in the whole world are using smartphone to make money. But it's not a guarantee. And we cannot tell you that you're going to make this amount of money. It's a project. It all depends on you. So together with me today, as we can see this comment, let's sit down together. Let's reason. Why do you have a smartphone and you're still living in poverty? Let's be real. Why do you have a smartphone, but from morning up to evening, you're just in the things that don't give you even $1 per day? Why do you have a smartphone, but at the end of the day, you burn Wi-Fi, you burn data bundles, and you don't earn anything? So you guys, what are we saying? We are saying hold a smartphone, use a smartphone, research with a smartphone, and get away with a smartphone. Is it possible that people are living in poverty, holding very expensive gadgets, holding laptops, holding phones? People are changing their smartphones depending on a new brand that comes, a new type of phone, from iPhone 14 to 15, 16, now 17. But exactly, does that phone give you income? So on Immaculate Show, but before I dive in and showing you how you should run away from this sin called poverty, if you don't have any other capital to start another business, even if you have another business, it's a must you're online, because now this is the era that you cannot run away from online. But if you really, before I dive in, I would love to appreciate individuals that have been with Immaculate Show since 4 to 5 years back. We have also some individuals that have been with us 2 years back, 3 years back. People have been with us even yesterday, irrespective of the time, irrespective of when. We really appreciate your presence. We appreciate your engagement. We appreciate your comments, your ideas, because it's from this comment that makes me get this idea of making a video for you. So a comment is money. A comment, it's an idea, and an idea at the end of the day is money. So let's dive in and see exactly, what do you think people still are not running away from this sin? From this sin, the way the commenter said it, poverty is a sin. Now, do you know, the moment you start social media, you start making money online, you be keen with it, you focus, and God blesses you, you start making money online. The moment you see a dime, do you know you will forget most of the problems. That is one. Why? Because you will have an income that you determined by yourself. This income is not attached to anything. This income is not, no one will restrict it. It is yours and yours. It's you to sit down like the one I'm saying, I'm going to do this. I'm going to write this blog. I'm going to write this book. I want $500. I want $1,000 from this platform. So you will be there. You will fight this sin yourself, provided you focus and have this smartphone. So why do you think this person is calling it a sin? Is calling it a sin, and I also support that it's a sin in the sense that most people who are poor, most people who don't have money, they will keep grumbling, they will keep having bad grudges, they will have malice. In fact, these are the people who might not congratulate you. These are the people who become artificial moving witches. The moment they see someone is having something good, they will feel bad. And that one is automatic witchcraft. These are the people who will even sit down and concoct, but the moment you're busy with making money on you, you know this, I'm having a moving money-making machine. You will not have time to envy somebody. You will not have time to feel bad for somebody is doing good. So it's really beautiful that we can run away from this sin. We can move towards heaven. Did you know that even the people who are in church, most people are having this sin? Whereas you're taking tithe, whereas you're taking seed, whereas you're doing everything, but someone still remains poor. And these are the people who will end up, they will be thinking, the same people that are in church are stealing their blessings. The same people that are in church are bewitching them. Then how do you expect somebody to go into heaven if you still have that mentality? So really, I came to let you know that this person who made a comment on my post that poverty is a sin. Indeed, it is a sin, and I don't like it like the way he doesn't like it. But it doesn't stop from there. You don't say, I don't like it. You have to work towards it. There are different ways of working out of this sin, poverty. But me, the one I preach on, and especially to the people, because this era, everybody is on social media, everybody is having a smartphone. You should not be on social media. You should not have a smartphone, burn data, and at the end, you're not benefiting from it. So let's fight this sin by making sure that we are using productively our smartphone. If you're with me and you're saying in this March 2026, we have to fight this sin together, please write it in the comment section. See you in another video.